DJ Steve on the mix.
Pedestal, yo. Karfe shida na yin magani a gareji. Mota ya masani but I had to manage it. I missed the hurry na manta an ansa canjin ma hankali na dukkan Abuja wallahi na gaji. Akan haya na sha tunani cikin mota. Trying to figure out what it went wrong to be this sober. Just a little fight last night, then now it's over. Kaman ayi mata maganin boka. To finally mun kai Abuja kaman karfe tara, looking shabby a gaban gidanta kaman bai bara. Na kira ta a waya ta fito mu yi magana. After a while to na jige yakara. To da na hange ta na durkusa na roki gafara. She came close, looked me close in the eyes and told me gafara. Haba baby, why you doing this to me now? Can't you see I came to see you all the way from me now? Wait, I na kaya maka kakazo amakaki. That's my problem with you, too stubborn for my liking. Na kaya maka, it's over, wallahi pa na gaji. The one got magana ne kata sheni daga bacci. Huh? It's obvious we can't reserve a day. How about you go sleep on it, nganki gobe. She said okay, turned around and said nothing to me. She left me outstanding, come on gunki, baby. You changed a lot overnight, you're not the same girl. But I'm not surprised, cause even the devil was once an angel. Kuma mama na taja munkuneva. The Jason, be careful, she gon' break your heart. So yeah, desire me, da-da-da-da-da. You broke my heart. It hurt so bad. If the devil was once an angel, so the next morning mo hadu a cinema. Na siya tickets biyu for us to go see Godzilla. Until labarin zuciya a tambaye fuska. From the look on her face, I know it's gonna be hard convincing her. But I had to try though, little romance. For the first time going in, we didn't hold hands. In the elevator, a lot of awkward moments. Even cracked a few jokes, but it made no sense. We took a sit, then I started talking so low. Kinsa musabon soda yine, she said no. Ko an cheki ka omiji agidane, she said no. To me asaki na haka ne kina bang horo. She said, alright, calm down, listen to me, please. After all, it's what we came here for. How do I put this? See, I still love you, but I'm not just in love with you no more. Okay? When the era magana kenan, all the time we spent together, what did I do wrong? Haka kawai ki tashi daga bacci say that you done, or what you short-sighted now? Can't you see how far we've come? Awaye na zubowa kaman yayyafi. I see you made up your mind, I do balebi. I just sit back and let karma do her thing, cause she a bitch, just like you changed a lot. You're not the same girl, but I'm not surprised, cause even the devil was once an angel. Uma mama na taja munkuneva. The Jason, be careful, she gon' break your heart. So yeah, desire.
What's up with your glasses now, anyway? 3, 2, 1, peace. Yo, what up? It's your boy chilling with my number one lady, my first lady. The girl after my heart, you know. I'm trying to get my mojo on, baby. Let me finish, you understand? I'm trying to get my marks in on this shit, you know. She's the best girl in my life right now. She's my number one woman, and she's feeling herself, you know. So what you gotta say? Talk to the camera.
I love my boo so much. He's still gonna make a lot of money for us.
Yes.
I still can't wait for that moment.
Definitely.
Definitely gonna miss you when you go.
Like for real?
Like by the end of the month. I feel so sad already.
Are you sure?
Of course.
Yeah, say bye-bye to the camera. My memory is over.
Bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. Peace out. Safe.
Magic is mine.